obviously not. Obviously.
It doesn't say about his
No.
car. You gonna move that one?
Where are there invisible fireworks from? Where did that invisible firework come from? Nah. This might go a bit. Never know what this would do.
Whoa.
It's bright now. Oh, that's quite good, that was.
Wasn't that awesome?
Oh, that's smoke. Look at this street in smoke again. Oh my god! Black smoke.
What?
Some people, yeah, have lit a bonfire right in the middle of a field and it's black smoke. And we saw around on that tree, yeah, loads and loads of flames over the other side of the street.
We like.
Now for the chicken. Get some more fireworks now. I got a bar of chocolate. Look, a massive bar of chocolate, look. Look at all the smoke. It's too much smoke and a bonfire.
Wheelie bins. That's what they're burning down there. Wheelie bins.
Oh, yeah. Why? Why do they have to burn bins? Why burning a bin? There's like 5 wheelie bins down there. What?
Right, you've done it with everybody.
Oh, what sets the bush on fire? What's the point of burning? You have to look out for the wheelie bins. People come in. Oh no. People.
No. It's alright. We're going somewhere else.
Come in now. Oh, what's that gonna do?
Go. It's gonna go boost down.
How do you know?
On it. It's not on. Gonna get back.
Hope them sparks don't go on any roof.
Is that it?
Look, oh, there's about 500 wheelie bins.
That wasn't a good one, wasn't it?
Look at the moon. It smells like
Did you see
chicken.
going in the bush?
Yeah, it's going up there. It's like shit. It's not gonna go on the blooming roof of houses.
That wasn't that good, wasn't it?
God, your wheelie bins. I need to get out of the wheelie bin. Can't be bothered to. Invisible firework. Nyan nyan. Where did that come from? Put that one this time by there.
What's that one? Sparky ones.
Spotted.
Gonna light it? Gonna light it at all? Or just there?
Probably gonna light it.
Where? Not in the garden again.
Move this car and I'll light it up.
Alright then.
What do you say?
You're gonna let them both off at the same time.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, stand back then.
Sparky.
No, pretty sparky.
Whoa! What a smoke! Oh, yeah. I'm standing in the way of it all. Yeah, look at the street. It's still on fire.
Did you see all that? It started going harder and harder and
Bang.
like out here like this.
Be cool if at the end they all go poof in the air. Oh, that's bloody smoke. What's next? Look at that. You see that there? Something's going flashing. It's a solar lamp. You see that solar lamp flashing for something?
It's not. Is it even on?
We can hear it. It's pound. And wind's changed direction again. We should. Oh,
That was totally.
I missed some really, really good rockets that go kaboom.
We haven't got any rockets.
Yeah, I missed the ones that go kaboof. Like that one.
That's not over.
That was shit, actually. No.
Kick it.
I'll be bothered. Here's one. Where is it? You bloody squeaker! I'm pausing it. Huh? Okay. Look at that one.
Connor. Just in case. You go like the YouTube video.
Like the one that you did.
No, the one on. Remember the man got blew up by one? By one of them?
I don't know.
Bloody hell.
Let me now.
Did you see the packaging?
What the hell?
That was it.
That was a bang.
Hang on, it's one by there. It's still one by
Look! Chinese lantern gone wrong! Chinese lantern gone wrong!
there. Where?
I just saw it fly past it and the flame was out and it just flashed on the roof. We should have bought some
Connor, look,
lanterns.
it's one over there. What's this way up?
Back.
Anthony. Back.
You hear this cat shit going on?
Yeah, Anthony.
Shit.
Ow! Oh, best
That's
rocket.
it.
That was quite good.
Single shot.
That was totally.
We still got loads left. Oh, pause it again.
That was,
Yep, stand back, Anthony.
that smells totally horrible.
Totally horrible. What does that mean?
What is horrible?
I think it's the fountain, yeah. Pretty! Blue and gold. Now it's gone all purple and pink and green. Loads of fountains, haven't we?
I think that's probably more of a smoke bomb than a firework.
Next. Someone's looking at the window. Look, it looks like a ghost. Look at that one.
There's a lady next door looking in the window.
Always does.
Is that one of those kaboom?
Looks like all the cats flying around.
Kaboom.
I hope so. There's a better fountain. Look at that one. Bloody bright. Looks like a strobe light. This fountain's more bang. Look at the lights. The house is lighting up. You crap yourself. I'm scared. Yeah, look at that.
Did you hit your dad, did you?
Did you see that then?
Fucking hell. It was like this, you went.
Bloody hell, that bit's still on fire down there.
Hmm?
It's all light. Get more fireworks now, yes.
Is that
Roman
all we had in
candle.
the box? I thought we had loads.
Yeah, I went in there, there's loads of them. And there's more in the garage than last year.
Yeah, that's the crap ones, wasn't it?
Ish.
It wasn't good, wasn't it?
Yeah. Look, how's the smoke get in the garage?
I think it's everywhere. It's everywhere.
It
Like your
wasn't
car.
smoke bomb, it was that. To kick your mum.
Listen, all you hear is...
The one I want to see was the car from you. Pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, I've seen that one. It's tiny. It's cool. It might go... Oh. Big box at the back. Should I get it?
No, it's either name. I've got the next fireworks on the video. I think you'll like it.
Which one?
Not this one, the next one.
What's that one then?
Got stickers on the ground tonight.
Kind of want to stand in the garage.
Why? Oh, yeah, stand in the garage. Oh. Need a torch. Good. Doesn't matter. Don't need a torch for fireworks. Does that have to be stuck in the ground?
Yeah. We'll stand up
I didn't see that. They look weird, don't they?
Right, let's just liven things up a bit. One more firework here, then we're going to go moving on to something else.
Called fireworks. Yeah. What is this other box we got here?
Fucking hell!
Grady! Grabby!
So many.
Bloody hell. Ah! I hit one of those. What's that? What are you doing?
Exercising.
Yeah, you should. Go. I pushed you
There you go,
off.
I got the wrap for you.
Sorry, man. Not working torch. Why'd you get me a not working torch?
Time to liven things up just a little bit.
You get them, bro?
Oh, is that 100 shot?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to record this one.
Okay.
I'm definitely going to record it. Now I'm going to run over here. Get the house, see if it lights up.
Kind of run. Run.
You run.
Run!
How can you run?
Run, my brother!
Ow! No! Ah! What the? Ow!
Every time we move, it's closer.
I know. Let's just taking the shit now. Ah!
Whoa!
Another one. When the hell did it stop? Oh! Oh! I hope the sound hasn't gone. Ah! Bloody hell! Jesus!
You done this time?
Bloody hell! I'm gonna have to check something.
Just in case.